Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Asagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to at ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Pasilip 2024 for the year of the wooden dragon, for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawag suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal sisikligid na guumapang manubalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka na dahil ito na ang mensahe at pasabog sa iyo at pasilip for 2024 for the year of wooden dragon for the sign of Aries. Umpisa na natin. So, tignan na natin kung anong kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang mahagilap for today's video. There is a Two of Pentacles. So, there is a balance. So, ngayon, sinasabi ngayon parating na 2024, magiging balance ka na. Because there's a Six of Swords. A transitions, no? Makakaalis ka na sa situation. At the same time, there's a Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat ka ha. There's a truth reveal. May revelation dito about the Seven of Swords. There's a cheating lying on you, no? May taong, kumbaga, nagsisinungaling behind your back. May taong kumukuha ng information rather sa iyo, no? At may mga revelasyon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Ten of Wands. So, there is a lot of burden, pero suddenly, sinasabi dito na matatapos na raw lahat ng obligation and responsibilities. And of course, there is a High Priestess. There is an unexpected moment, or there is a hidden agenda, or hidden enemies, or something na kumbaga, there's an unexpected or turning event. So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles. There is a Four of Pentacles and of course the Lover, the Two of Cups. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a partnership na magdadala sa ng balance. So, protect your power, protect your energy. Mag-budget ka, no? Mag-invest ka on your own. Let's see what is the Six of Swords. There's a Five of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a fair fight, no? May patas na laban dito. And of course, magdadala daw sa ito ng transition. Let's see what is the Seven of Swords. There's a Three of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a cheating lying on you, no? Sinasabi dito may taong talagang nanakit sa'yo at nananakit sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Moon card. And because there's a Death card. So, there's an ending and a new beginning. Katapusan na to, no? Katapusan na to ng mga revelasyon. Ngayon, this is the moment na malalaman mo ng katotohanan this coming 2024. Ang katotohanan sa likod ng eksena na to. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands. There's the Full card. There's a leap of faith. Some of you kumbaga magtiwala ka sa process and progress. Magtiwala ka sa plano ni God, no? Let's see what is the High Priestess. And of course, guys, there's the Tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? May mga biglaan talaga magbabago with an unexpected moment. There's a sudden changes na magdadala sa inyo distraction or something revealed, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. May the Two of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles and the Two of Cups. So, there's a Nine of Swords in reverse. So, mawawala na raw anxieties, deception. Kumaga makaka-recover ka na, no? For your stress. Let's see what is the Six of Swords and the Five of Swords. Okay. There is a Five of Pentacles. So, yun nga, diba? Kumaga magkakaroon ka ng transition, magkakaroon ka ng recovery pagdating sa finances. Pero, kailangan mo maging aware, no? Kailangan na pag-isipan mo muna yung isang bagay, no? Hindi, at saka nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dito or magkakaroon ng self-sabotage. Maging aware ka kung sino yung pinapautang mo or pinapahiram mo, suddenly or kumbaga, ginagarantoran mo, mag-ingat ka. Kasi may tendency na mabudol ka at magkaroon ng self-sabotage, na masabotahin mo yung sarili mo. Itong tao na to, lolokohin ka at pahihirapan ka. No? About sa pagbayad. There's an Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. No? Maging mature ka na. So, let's see what is the Moon card and of that card. So, there's a Magician. There's a manifestation, no? In God perfect will, ibibigay sa itong transformation na to na darating sa buhay mo. And of course, what is the Ten of Wands? And of course, the Fool card. So, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new love life coming in for you. Now, may bagong pakilig at bagong pag-ibig. Ganay! So, let's see what is the High Priestess and of course, the Tower moment. And of course, there's a Eight of Pentacles. So, about sa trabaho o negosyo, hanap buhay mo. There's a, kumbaga, it's either magtatayo ka ng bagong negosyo or magkakaroon ka ng bagong trabaho with unexpected moments. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome this coming 2024 is the Wheel of Fortune. There's a destiny is yours. Kumbaga, nakatadhana talaga ang mangyayari, no? Kumbaga, ipagkakaloob ng langit ang bagay-bagay na para sa'yo, no? There's a destiny. Talagang, there's a destiny is a blessed. Luck is yours. And of course, the win-win outcome forecast. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Excuse me. Excuse me. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. Magkakaroon ka na ng pangmatagalang eksena dito, no? Wait lang guys, sinubla ko ng water. Okay. So, we're back. Continue na tayo, no? So, sinasabi dito, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin, pasabog ang magiging 2024 mo na ang swerte ay papabor sa'yo. And of course, there's, oh my God! The Nine of Pentacles, there's a blossoming abundance. So, lalakas to ang negosyo o hanap buhay mo this coming 2024. Pero there's a Two of Swords, there's a decision na may kailangan kapag desisyonan dito, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong pakawalan yung mga negativities, no? Kailangan mo nang pakawalan at iwasan yung mga negativities na nangyari sa'yo from 2023. So, ibig sabihin dito, this coming 2024 na babaguhin ang buhay mo. No? At may magandang nakalaan para sa'yo. So, let's see what is, okay. Umpisahan natin for, fairies messages. Magical messages for fairies. So, this is a new card, guys, ha? So, maraming salamat sa mga nagsusuporta sa aking channel, no? Sa mga patuloy na pagsusubaybay at panunood na walang sawa. And of course, sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, kasi nagkakaroon tayo, guys, ng mga new card na makakatulong sa ating reading and also sa inyo, no? Na para mailahad natin yung mga mensahe na gusto sabihin sa atin ng ating mga gabay. So, let's see, what is additional messages? There's a love life. So, there's a love life involved, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito ng ating fairies na magkakaroon ka daw ng love life dito this coming 2034 or something na may involvement sa love life. The basis of your question involve your romantic life which is now changing for the better. So, ibig sabihin, magiging maganda na ang bukas pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig nyo, no? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, that is the angel's answer. So, meron na tayong angel's answer, guys. My God, thank you. Shuffle muna tayo ng very light, ha? Angel's answer. Get my information. There's a yes. So, some of you, kung may mga question kayo, no? So, ito yung kasagutan. There's a yes daw, no? Give me an information pa, Angel Spirit Guides. Para mas clear daw, no? Okay, give me an information pa po, Angel Spirit Guides. Kung ano po yung gusto nyo sabihin sa ating gabay. Sa ating para sa ating mga kapatid na Aries signs. Okay. Improving health. So, talaga mag-i-improve na yung health nyo, no? Maaring gagaling na kayo sa kung ano man yung karamdaman na nararamdaman nyo. And of course, some of you guys, ha? Kumbaga, there's a romance. So, may buhay pag-ibig talaga na ilalan sa'yo ang universe this coming 2024. life will be changed. Oh my God! So let's see what is the Romance Angels. What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? There's a butterfly. Ano kasi sinasabi dito, there's a relationship evolving to the next phase. Ibig sabihin talagang some of you baka ikakasal or may engagement ring or something na baka magkakaroon ng transformation the two of you with your person na maaari magkaroon kayo ng supling or anak. No? So let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. So let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's an apology. So some of you guys, there's an apology, ha? May hihingi sa iyo ng kapatawaran. And of course, there's a reflection. So ibig sabihin, there's a mirror. Nagkaroon man ng lamat, no? So sinasabi dito na susubukan ulit mabuo, no? And of course, there's a chemistry. It's all about love and career. So, pasabog talaga kasi there's a chemistry, oh. And there's an apology. So, nagkaroon talaga ng separation and problema from the past that because of there's a mirror, no? Nagkaroon ng lamat at nagkaroon ng lokohan. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng lokohan. Sinasabi sa'yo, nang dahil din sa'yo yan, no? Nagkaroon ng lokohan kasi there's a mirror. Kumbaga, mirroring. Ibig sabihin dito, guys, ginawa mo yan, kaya bumalik lang din sa'yo, no? Kaya mag-iingat kayo kapag nasa karmic relationship ka, or there's a twin flame and twin flame kayo with a soulmate connection. Kumbaga, mag-iingat kayo kasi may mirroring tinatawag. Magre-reflect sa'yo lahat ng ginagawa mo. Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo with your partner, ganun din ang gagawin ng partner mo sa'yo. No? Kaya mag-ingat. No? There's apology, and of course, there's a reflection and chemistry. Pasabog. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Let's see what is the Romance Angels. What is the Romance Angels, guys? There's a healing family issues. See, magkakaroon daw kayo ng healing with the family issues, no? Kumaga may mga problema kayo with your family or there's a toxic family or something na nagkaroon talaga ng hidwaan sa pamilya. So, this is it na magkakaroon na ng healing. So, let's see what is door to value. So, maraming halaga diba? There's a big slot talaga. And the first chakra, Archangel Michael, for your protection, no? Pinoprotektahan ka raw ng ating mga gabay. And all tied up, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa lahat ng mga negative thoughts, negative energy, or toxic behavior, or toxic energy. Let's see what is the chakra. There's a vanity. Yung mga walang kabuluhan daw na bagay, guys. Iwasan na. Because there's a creations. No? Ikaw lang din yung nagkikreate yung mga bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng problema or a failure. So, you can create this situation and you have the power to change it. No? Ikaw lang yung makakagawa ng paraan para mabago mo ang sitwasyon mo. And there's a gossip. Some of you, iwasan makipagchismisan or maaring nachichismis ka. No? Let's see what is additional messages. And there is a dolphin. So, some of you enjoy your life for the fullest. And because there is a yellow by adaptivity or personal power. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan maging flexible ka all the time, no? Kahit saan ka ilagay or saan ka ilagay, dapat kayang-kaya mo makisalamuha o kayang-kaya mo makipagsabayan. And because there is a moonstone, there's a mystery intuitions, no? Kumbaga, makinig ka sa iyong intuitions mo, sa gut feeling mo, even your inner voice. Let's see what is additional messages. And because there is a crystal, so some of you kumbaga, kailangan nyo raw ng crystal stones or gemstones na makakatulong sa'yo for healing, like an amethyst or something, a tiger eye for to boost your confidence, and of course, the evil eye for construct that ingot, no? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo raw yan. And of course, what is additional messages for Moontology? For Moontology, what you need to release? Ano yung kailangan mong i-release? Yung toxicities, no? And of course, yung negativities. And of course, yung fear. And work through your fear. See? Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Kasi baka yung nagbibigay ng blockages sa'yo, no? Kailangan laban na laban ka lang. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. And of course, there's a forgiveness. Meron talaga ditong hihingi ng tawad at magkakaroon talaga ng kapatawaran. And of course, there's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance, no? Kumaga maging balance, emotional, practical, and spiritual. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there is a A big picture thinking, inspire ideas, visionary. Dapat nakikita mo na yung magiging possibilities your magiging future mo in the near future. No? Yung parang magiging bukas mo or buhay mo. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Archangel Raphael. Forgiveness heals. My God. This is all about forgiveness. So, talaga there's a forgiveness, and apology. So, ibig sabihin, it's all about healing. No? Pagkakaroon ka raw ng healing dito. And there's a family issues. Talaga magkakaroon ka talaga ng forgiveness. Something forgiveness. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. The person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong kinakausap mo, yung taong lagi mo nakakasama yung mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And of course, explore your option, no? Kaya nga, kailangan i-explore mo pa yung mga bagay-bagay na makakatulong sa'yo at magbibigay sa'yo ng mga kasagutan or advices. What is the Jesus loving quotes? So, sinasabi dito, you Heavenly Father know that you have need all of this. So, ibig sabihin, alam daw ng ating Panginoon na kailangan mo lahat ng mga bagay na hinihingi mo. So, kapag ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, ipagkakaloob niya sa'yo. So, let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 3. I am charismatic. So, sinasabi dito, expressions comes naturally to you. You are very skilled in communicating your thoughts through conversation and creative pursuits. You are able to get others on board with your ideas. So, malakas ang charisma mo, malakas ang atake mo dito, no? Kayang-kaya mo silang, kumbaga, parang mahatak, no? O mapaamo. Ganun kakalakas, So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent I have faith in life. So, sinasabi dito, today I give myself to life, I live in here, and now without concern for tomorrow, because God is always near and will never let me fall. My faith surrounds me with the light. No matter the circumstances I let go, having faith, the life will always provide what is the most beneficial for my soul. So, ibig sabihin dito, nagtitiwala ka sa buhay na pinagkaloob sa'yo, na there's a mission and journey, no? Kung alam mo, at the end of the time, ibibigay sa'yo ni God na what you deserve. Kung makakamtan mo yung mga bagay na pinangarap mo, at ibibigay sa'yo yung patas na laban. At sinasabi na sa'yo dito, bigyan mo ng kalayaan ang kaisipan, at pagbibigay ka patawaran sa anumang uri ng sugat ng nakaraan. So guys, this is 2024, no? 2024 pasilip for the sign of Aries, no? This year is for the wooden dragon. Maraming salamat po. And of course, maraming salamat pa sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, may pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal 60 tigdig nag-uumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, no, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And of course, see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.